Hello and welcome to Aces to Kings. Today we'll be doing the sixth part, sort of, which is the false cuts section. So this just makes the trick, or any trick, look a lot better. If you can know some false cuts, it makes it look like you're mixing up the deck a lot more. So let's get into that. So my favorite false cut, I wouldn't recommend this for a beginner magician because just it's kind of hard to do it, but you can do it if you want. You can try it and practice for a while. But I'm going to show you some other ones that you can do if you're a beginner magician. If you're an advanced magician, then I would suggest working on this because it looks pretty cool. So you're going to swing cut half the deck, and you're going to bring it around to the back. So it looks like this, right? But it actually does nothing. So what you do is you swing cut half the deck. You're going to put it in your hand right here. You're going to flip this upside down. You're going to kind of take your pointer finger here and kind of flip this out like this. And you're going to put the rest of the deck right on top of your pointer finger. Reinforce it with this thumb here and pull out the pointer finger. So again, you take about half the deck here. Okay? You're going to put it in your hand like this. Use your finger to curl this out. Put the rest of the deck on top of your finger and pull the finger out. Okay? And it does absolutely nothing, but it looks really cool. And the spectators think that you're cutting it. So another one that's good is this one. Okay? That also does nothing. Okay, so how you do this is you going to take about a third of the deck off. You can either swing cut it or pull it off. You're going to take a pinky break right there, put it like that, turn it into a thumb break, like this. Okay, you're going to swing cut or pull off just about half the cards on the top, okay, of the thumb. Bring it around, drop the bottom half of the thumb on top of this, and bring the rest of it to the back. Okay? So again, you're going to take about a third off, put pinky break, put the rest of it on top, turn it into a thumb break, swing cut the top half of the cards above your thumb, put the rest of it below the thumb on top, and the rest of it into the back. Okay? And I just have one more false cut that I know. I know there is a lot more false cuts, but I don't know them that much. But, so what you're going to do is, I had taught the trick where you take the card to the back, and you kind of do this shuffle thing, where you move the card to the back. So it takes the Jack of Spades and moves to the back. So what you can do, if you want to keep the card at the top, is you pull out the middle cards. You pull out some middle cards, and do the same thing. You're just going to grab it with your thumb, and pull the cards out with your thumb. And it just, it looks like you're shuffling the cards from the top, too. But really, you're keeping the cards at the top. And I think it looks pretty cool. Another one you can do is a shuffle. So if you take off the top half, and you know which one's the top half, like this is the top, so then I can shuffle it and just know to leave the top card on the top, like this. Okay, same with the bottom. If I know that this is the bottom half over here, I can keep that on the bottom. And then it doesn't matter how many times you shuffle it, it will always stay on the bottom. So those are all my false cuts I've found. I think they're pretty easy if you get the hang of them. So I hope this video helped. And now you're ready to do the entire trick. And hopefully it helped you. Thanks for watching.